Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you all my current hits and shits. If you're interested, please keep on watching. So basically, I'm gonna show you my top 5 makeup products and my least favorite, actually the most hated 5 products that I have. So first up with the hits, this guy right here, the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. I really love this foundation, you guys. It gives like a second skin finish to the skin. It's not cakey, it doesn't crease, it doesn't settle into fine lines. The shade is like perfect and it's suitable for everyday wear. And I like that it's not matte and it's not like dewy. It has a natural finish. It's very nice, it's very lightweight, and it has even SPF 25, I think. I really love this foundation. I think it kicks some of my high-end foundations, and I would totally go for this one if I had to choose among all my other foundations. Next up is this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I really love this bronzer, you guys. Let me show you how it looks like. You probably have seen because I use it a lot. I really love the packaging. I love how it performs. I love that it gives this natural color to the skin. It's not powdery or patchy. It blends really well. It's not orange like other bronzers. It's actually neutral, not cool tone and not very warm. It blends seamlessly, and I find myself reach for this one since I bought it. I haven't used any other bronzer when I started using this one. Next up, this NARS Exposed Cheeks palette. I think you know already. I really love this palette, you guys. It has like different uses to it. It has blush, it has bronzers, it has a highlighter here, and its formula is crazy. It's crazy. It's so soft. You can't even, I'm not sure if you can see. It's a cream to powder formula. It also blends really well. The blushes give like this natural sheen to the face, not like other blushes which are powdery, which is not a bad thing for a blush. I mean, there are different formulas, there are powders. This one is cream to powder. It blends really well and like really soft color to the skin. Like I blended it here. I bet you can see it because it's really soft, and I really love it. Even the highlighter here is, you can build it up to be blinding, or it can be natural sheen to the skin without being overboard. And I actually love to use it as a highlighter in like my inner corner and brow bone. It's really amazing. It's a great color actually. And I know this palette is pretty expensive, but what you get from it is really worth it. And of course I can't not mention this, the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. As you can see, it's very much loved and used. I destroyed the pan. Haven't hit pan actually yet, but you can see what happened to it. It's a blinding highlighter. Let me swatch it for you. It's this one here. It's really reflective. It gives this wet look to the skin. And I actually prefer it more than the Molten Rose Gold one. This one is, I think it's better than many high-end highlighters. And this one, I think it was $9, less than $10. It's amazing. Like mostly I use this one. Like if I'm in a hurry, I don't have time to decide on which highlighter, I'll always reach for this one. Last but not least for the hits, and I'm pretty sure 90% of you know. You guys, this powder, I can't. This is like my top one makeup that I have now actually. I can't go a day without it. It's the Nikea Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. It's a translucent powder. It's very, very finely milled. It smells like vanilla. I mean, it has like very beneficial ingredients in it, like on the top of my head, vitamin E, aloe vera, all that kinds of stuff that hydrates your skin even if you have dry skin. I have dry skin and I can't not use this one. I really recommend it, and it's actually a million times better than the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I swear. You gotta try this one, guys, and you're gonna swear by it. I assure you. And now for my most hated makeup that I have. The first one. This is the Maybelline, what's it called? Master Prime by Face Studio. Primer, base. It's the Blur plus Redness Control one. This guy here doesn't do anything. Let me show you the formula. I thought when I bought it, I thought it's green, like a green corrector, but it's not. It's a white or cream. Actually, it's a little bit green. Cream formula. Like this. Doesn't do anything actually. It doesn't blur. It doesn't control redness. Doesn't do anything. So I basically stopped using it. But I wasn't like really sad because it was cheap also. Less than $10. So didn't care. Doesn't do anything. Another thing that doesn't do anything is this Rimmel Insta Fix and Go Setting Spray. It's a 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. Maybe it refreshes your skin during the day, but it doesn't set, it doesn't prime, it doesn't do anything. And the spritzer on this one is actually really bad. It smells like cucumber, which is not a bad thing, but this one also doesn't do anything for me. So I stopped using it. Another thing that is horrible, don't buy it, is this Meheisenh setting powder. So I bought this as a translucent powder. It's not translucent, also it says here neutral. I don't know if neutral means translucent or not, but it's actually as white as flour. Let me show you. So it looks like this actually, and as you can see, it turned all my skin to white. Yeah, I mean it's finely milled and soft and all that, but it changes the color of your makeup. So I stopped using this one. It's not good, and it wasn't cheap actually. Wasn't cheap. And the last two products I have here are from the same brand, which is called Pupa. It's an Italian makeup brand. First up is this Vamp Stilo Liner. Looks like this. So I actually bought this one. I was influenced by the salesperson. I did not like this product. So it's very thick. It doesn't suit my small eyes. It's patchy. You can't draw a thin line with it. It's not even like super black. Trying to draw here some lines so that you can see that it's not good. As you can see, it's patchy. The thinnest line is not thin. And last is this Pupa Vamp Extreme Mascara. The one this big to my eyes. As you can see, it didn't do wonders. Actually, what it did, it's actually one of these two products, or both, I'm not sure, gave my eyes a really bad inflammation. My eyes were swollen shut, and it wasn't a cute situation, I assure you. So these stayed in the drawer since that day, and I haven't used them since. Alright, so that's it, you guys. Let me know if you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you like this type of video. Let me know if you want to know like my hits and shits like every once in a while, not monthly because I can't have this monthly yet. I don't have this much makeup. But if you like this idea, we can do it like on a frequent basis. Let me know in the comment section down below. I thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! So today I'm gonna show you my current top 5 makeup and the last 2 products I have here. Last.